What's up, everybody? Day 2. I just woke up, so don't mind my hair. Damn, it's crazy. But I'm finna get set up. It's 7:40. It's 7:48. Thursday, June 18th. Yeah. Gonna get started on the kick stream. Start learning a little bit. I don't know what time he streams. Hopefully I didn't miss like all his like what is it called? Like mapping out and like marking the chart and all that. Kick. I'm gonna open the charts over here. What the hell? What am I looking for? Bro, you can't even see me. I don't think he's going live today because I heard that he's not trading for the rest of the week. Because I have to set like 10 so I can wake up. What do I do? I don't think he's gonna get on today. I think I'm gonna just watch his last one, take notes, stuff like that. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna watch this one. That one. I'm gonna watch that one. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day. See ya. Alright, what's up, guys? I just finished the thing. I mean, it says one hour or whatever, but this is when you finish trading and stuff. Now you're doing like island applications. I don't know. But I'm on my chart, right? Hold on. I'm on my chart. Do I know what the hell I'm doing? Fun, no. But am I gonna see what's gonna happen? Hell yeah. So I'm on the 500 right now. I'm on the 500. I'm on yeah. Anyway, I marked out the previous New York session high, New York session low. I couldn't figure out how to put my the London session, Asian session on my thing, but I'm gonna figure it out one of these days. Market opened. Not really seeing anything on Nasdaq. Like fair value gap wise on the 5-minute. Unless I'm tripping, I don't know. I'm not really seeing nothing. But here on the ES, got a fair value gap on the 5-minute. So I marked it, and I'm looking at the 1-minute. See if it. I mean, it's looking like it's getting respected right now. You know, honestly, I think it's gonna go to the downside. If I was putting in money, I'd short. But honestly, I don't know. I would have to see a break of structure to the downside because right now it's in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. I think did it break structure? Well, the candle, it's about, hopefully this candle closes below this low because this is the previous low, right? So hopefully it closes there. I mean, I got 15 seconds for it to close, and hopefully it closes below this line. Hold on, let me mark it. This is the previous low. Hopefully it closes below that line, or we get a close below that line, so then we know it's a break the structure to the downside. But it might continue to go up in an uptrend. Again, do I know what the hell I'm doing? No, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I'm trying to make sense of it. Hold on. Did it close? Hold on, it's pushing down. See? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I got what? 30 seconds for this to close below the line. But let's see what. Okay, 15 seconds. Dude, I might be crazy. But okay, let me see. Where would I put my stop losses and stuff like that? Well, this is where I'd use the London session, right? To like show me like where liquidity is, and like I don't know. That's what he did. Look, he did. He saw liquidity here, and so he put a stop loss there, I think, and then but yeah, he bought like this tested. He bought. He put it on the 5 minute. He put a fair value gap. It tested. He's like, okay, respected, and then it went down. Oh shit! Was I wrong? Anyway, I'm gonna get ready for the day. I'm gonna see what. Oh shit! I didn't mean to move that. So it did close below, but I don't know if that was happening. Let me remark it. Hold on. His previous low was right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready for the day. Brush my teeth, shower, and all that stuff. I feel kind of gross. But I'm gonna see what the market does. I'm gonna keep all my lines here to keep it on. So whenever I get out the shower, I'm gonna be able to. Oh, you can't even see me. I'll be able to see what I did, and but yeah, it might. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just an uptrend right now, honestly. But, or no, downtrend? I don't know what's happening, bro. But, alright, what's up, everybody? I just got ready, calm, simple, and fit. But, I got out the shower. Let's do a little trade analysis. So, I was wrong, right? But why do I think I was wrong? Let's do analysis, right? So, yes, we had a fair value gap here. But it was an uptrend. I diagnosed. Okay, I came down here, right? Did whatever here, and then went right here, right? And I diagnosed. Oh, this is a high. It's forming an uptrend, right? It's a high forming uptrend, right? Here, I'm like, oh, this is a break of structure, right? Cause like well, hold on. Was this forming a downtrend? Yeah. No. I'm tripping. Okay, this was forming a downtrend, not an uptrend, right? And so, boom. Right, this is the new high for the low, right? But then it breaks structure to the upside. So, this should have been, in my head, oh, we're going up now, right? So this is the high, then this is the new low. But the thing that confuses me, right, is that this closed below this. So wouldn't this be a low? Then wouldn't it be a higher low, But I don't have the London session here. You know what I'm saying? Would I have lost money? Not yet, honestly, because I would have put my stop loss like right here. So not yet, no. But what is it doing? It's forming an uptrend. Do I know why? No. Was there some like a liquidity sweep on liquidity on this very first candle? Because the market opened here, right? So then it closed around here for the London session or pre-market. I don't know, right? So it went up. Maybe there was sweep on liquidity in that moment, and it went down, right? It's steep down. So draw on liquidity. But right now it's an uptrend. I would have taken the short. I would have lost in the long run, right? Do I know why? Not really, no. But my theory, which I could be wrong, again, I don't know shit. Boom, down. This was the start of a downtrend. Boom. This is the up, right? That kind of went stagnant. And then this is the real break of structure. Bro, no. Okay, anyway. Okay. Boom, it goes up crazy. It closes above the previous high, right? It closes above the previous high. And this is the break structure up, right? So up, high, low. But the thing that confuses me is this low right here. Does it matter that this closed below the previous low, right? Does it matter This one damn near open, almost closed below this, right? But that's the beauty of it. We always learning. So I did ultimately lose. I did check the Nasdaq, right? It's following a similar pattern to S&P 500, right? There was a fair value gap here. I did mark it. It went down. It's crazy down, right? Break structure down, went down. Maybe there was a liquidity sweep over here and then led into session, right? Boom, caused it to go down. Probably maybe swept liquidity here, right? Boom, caused it to go up and oh, I moved it. Caused it to go up into an uptrend, right? Do I know everything? No, I'm still learning. All I know is up trends and downtrends and a little bit about liquidity sweeps, right? But do I know how to identify? No. But I do know two things. One, I gotta figure out how to put all the other sessions on my thing so I can be more accurate. And two, I'm gonna go run with the weighted vest in the neighborhood. I'm gonna run a mile and then walk half and then run another mile. And I'm gonna do my ab workout at the house. And after, I'm gonna go to Smoothie King. That's all I know what's gonna happen. Alright, let me figure out how to do this, and then I'll update you. I can't figure it out, bro. Look, it says, okay, I go here, and it says, like, go to RTH, ETH, and all sessions, bottom right. Where do you see this, bro? I ain't seeing nothing. Look, he has it right here, ETH. This is his chart. Where the fuck my shit at, bro? So check your chart setting. Next to the asset name, top left chart. Okay. Let me see. Top left, asset name. Or no, the 3 dots. My bad. 3 dots. Then what does it do? 3 dots. Click security, sessions. Security info, sessions, all sessions. Look, bro, like, it's not a thing here, bro. Just my time chart, like, I'm already in New York time, bro. Like, anyway, I'm gonna just go for my room. I'm gonna leave this on. Look, maybe I was right all along, I don't know. Look, this is a 5 minute. 1 minute. Looks like it's going down. I don't know. I'm gonna come back and look at it, but yeah, I'm gonna go for a run now. We running, man. We running. I'm definitely sweating, which is great. I love sweating, but holy shit. I just did my 1 mile. Now I'm walking my half mile. I'm about a little over a quarter done with my half mile. Dang, I'm just listening. I'm ready for that Smoothie King after this, I ain't gonna lie. Holy man. So yeah, back from the run. Came, checked the stock market. So yeah, it was overall an up day. This is the Nasdaq. It tested it. Bounced back up. I don't know what to call it, but that's what it did. Swept these highs, went down, probably swept like these lows or whatever, I don't know, but started going back up. Same thing with the ES, just stayed kind of stagnant really, but definitely a buy opportunity. Like down here, like by, then probably swept that out and then continue to go low. But yeah, this is what it's looking like at in Texas. 12:07 or start marking time 12:07. I wasn't able to figure out how to get my London time up working on this, but it's alright. Right now, so I just got back from a run. I'm gonna turn this off. I did a mile running, half a mile walking, then another mile running. After the mile, my legs were shot. I felt like ass. Right, I came inside. Thought I was about to throw up, honestly. But luckily I didn't. I didn't throw up, luckily. But what I am gonna do now is hit abs. Dude, especially since my legs are like a little sore from leg day yesterday. Got me good. I'm gonna do abs. Probably like 3 sets to failure. All 3 sets, you know. Some cable crunches, nothing too crazy. I do have a machine at my house. But, yeah. That's probably what I'm gonna do. He wants to play, but bro, I gotta get my workout in, bro. Look at my suit. Dude, my shirt is 2 different shades of blue. This is where the sweat stops. Look at the back. Holy moly, bro. Oh my god. Put it in that work. Anyway, bro, I'm gonna do some cable crunches. 3 sets to failure. Call it a day for the working out. Gonna take a cold shower. Probably gonna go get my smoothie. No. Take a cold shower. Like rinse off. Then I'm gonna go get my smoothie from Smoothie King. Gonna get my Gladiator with vanilla, protein powder, strawberries, and banana. Just finished the ab workout. I'm gonna drink some water. Take that nice cold shower. And I'm gonna get me my Smoothie King, bro. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so excited. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. After that, I don't know what the hell's happening. At like 4, I know what I'm doing, but oh, I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm watching my hour 30. I think I'm gonna watch as much as I can, because tomorrow is somebody's birthday, and I'm not gonna have a lot of time to Blue. Stop. I don't have time to watch the video, so try to watch today's and tomorrow's. So what's that? 2 hours and 80 minutes. So it's 3 hours 20. Anyway, alright guys, we made it back into the car. We're headed to Smoothie King. I need to clean my mirror, it's a little dirty. Yeah, that's good. Headed to Smoothie King. Bro, I'm so locked in with my day trading, bro. I forgot to eat. Like, I forgot that I was going to Smoothie King. That's how locked in I am. Alright, I literally sat down on my desk, turned on my computer. I was like, alright, it's time to lock in on this day trading. I was like, bro, I gotta eat. I was like, okay, let me go to Smoothie King real quick. So that's where we're going. Ooh, don't want my camera to... Anyway, yeah, I'm heading out. Tell you guys later.
Pair your smoothie with a bundle of any single food item. 20-ounce bundle is $12, 32-ounce bundle is $15, and
thank you for choosing Smoothie King. What can we get blended for you?
Hello, can I have the Gladiator?
The Gladiator? Which one?
With vanilla in it. Where is it at? Hold on, I'm looking for it.
What was that? I'm sorry.
Hold up. I'm trying to look for it on the screen. Hold on. I'm sorry. I know it's here somewhere.
Did you say you want the chocolate one?
The vanilla one, please.
The vanilla gladiator. What would you like in the vanilla gladiator?
Strawberries and banana, please.
Strawberry banana. Are we doing a medium, large?
Large, please. Yes, thank you. Sorry, I was looking for it.
It's a large vanilla gladiator or strawberry banana. You can go ahead and pull.
All right, thank you.
Go ahead and take it.
What the fuck? Bro, the lady just popped out of nowhere, bro. She dead ass spawned in, bro. She like came out of the door. I was like, what the fuck? I was looking at the thing. I was like, hold on, let me look for it. Let me look for it. She's like, which one? I'm like, okay, let me look for it. I'm like, vanilla, strawberry, banana. Like, that's what I want. And then I'm like, she's like, which one? I'm like, okay. Let me see. And then she dead ass spawned in out of nowhere. Like, what the fuck? Yeah. And I was like, oh yeah, let me log in real quick. Yeah. I got the large. Alright. I just gave it a taste test. It's pretty good. It's really cold. That's what I'm gonna say. It's really cold. It's thick. Smoothie. Tastes like all the other smoothies I get from Smoothie King, so no complaints, all good. Bro, this video is gonna be so long, bro. Like, it's alright. It's like gonna be like 25 minutes. Because there's so many clips. It's okay. I'm not even doing much today. I barely did anything. I feel like I already have like 25 minutes worth of video. Like, it's bad. It's because I keep pressing the record button. Anyway. Yeah. Back home. About to lock in. Got my setup. All that stuff. I feel like one thing that I learned today from trading is, like, so far, really, anything could be a liquidity sweep. Like, say it goes over, right? A high, like a random ass high, just starts plummeting it down. It's like, oh, liquidity sweep, right? So it's like, that's like, it's clicking to me. Like I knew it was like the thing. I feel like my problem is not what I look for, what something is. Like, I know up, down, down, I know fair value gap, liquidity sweep, it goes over a high, might go down, or it goes below a low, might go up because liquidity's there. Banks, whatever, they're trying to get money to push market in the way they want. I feel like I get those concepts. My battery's about to die. Get those concepts, but it's like at the same time, like, I don't know, like, that's when you learn, how do I use these said concepts, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's why we're here to learn. Anyway, I'm gonna do my video. Alright, so I'm still watching the video. I'm now at 3:38. I think I'm gonna see how far I can get into the video. I think I'm gonna get like 5 hours in. So I only have like hour something left. But look, I think I figured out the trades from this morning. Alright, so I kept it on here. So I think this is a BPR scenario, right? So boom, crazy move down, right? And then as soon as we get like into it with a bullet, like I think like a bullish candle, brrr, all the way back up. So that would have been a good, like right here from this wick, that would have been a good exit point. Like as soon as we get here, boom, enter into the market, and then that's our exit point right there. That would have been a good trade. And then we get over here, right? And these are crazy fair value gaps, you know what I'm saying? So crazy fair value gaps, and you see it gets respected right here. So you know the market is gonna go up. So that's when you buy, right? You buy, then you'd see all the way up here. It goes all the way up, and it takes out the previous high, like super high from like the opening market, right? Takes out the previous high, liquidity, boom, market goes down. I think I'm getting it, bro. I think I'm getting it. I think it's clicking in my head. I think I'm getting it. But yeah, I think I'm getting it. Exciting stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna keep watching. What's up, guys, man? Okay, so we just finished the learning portion of it. We learned about time, theory, SMT divergence. Let's go through it. BPR, liquidity, break a structure. Yeah. But look at the charts, man. I kept the charts here just to like look at it while I went. Right now it's closed. This is closed right there. But I just want to look at it and stuff like that while I was learning. See if the stuff I was learning I could use right here. And yes, I can. Alright. So, boom. We have, let me make sure I got my thing right. BPR right here, right? I think I already said it, but BPR, boom, exit right here. Exit right here. And then it went down, and then it went crazy up, right? Maybe a moment for BPR, but hold on. Let me mark out my my break, not my break structure. What is it, bro? What is it called? Fair value gaps, right? Let me mark out my fair value gaps right here, and then this fair value gap got tested right here. It's like, okay, it's gonna go up. And then it ended up going up all the way, and then it went up past the previous high, and then ended up dumping down. And then we have another hold on. We have another BPR opportunity right here, BPR, right? And then boom, we went crazy up, crazy up. So, you know what I'm saying? And then we actually passed this high right here. We surpassed this high right here, right? Which caused a liquidity sweep and ended up dumping down the market. So I'm learning. Am I sure about all the stuff that I just said? 75% yes. Like the liquidity sweep right here, I'm pretty sure about, and the what is it? Fair value gap, I'm pretty sure about. The only thing I'm kind of iffy about is the first BPR, though I am pretty confident about it, honestly. We might have a SMT divergence, possibly, because okay, so this is market open, right? This is the minute time. In the second and third minute of the NASDAQ being open, it showed bullish, while the first, second, and third, or the second, okay, for this one it was the second and third, and then this one the second and third, right? It showed bearish, which we could have maybe took a trade showing that it was gonna be bearish. Like maybe after this candle, and like that was the fourth minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and like okay, it's crashing down. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, boom. Maybe that's the SMT divergence. Am I sure? No, but it's progress. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that could have been an SMT divergence. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, honestly, with my learning and stuff. But in I made it to the point in the video where he's about to talk about funded account and stuff like that. I can't get a funded account. I'm not old enough. But I will take notes so that whenever I am old enough, I can open a funded account. And after, he's gonna go into strategy. But it's 3:44. I gotta be somewhere, or I'm doing something else. Like I'm done with the what is it called? For day trading time at 4:15. So yeah, I'm gonna do as much as I can in the rest of the video. I did put it at 1.5 like 5 minutes ago. Just cause like, you know, wanted to speed things up. Like I'm on minute. I got this much left, whatever that is. I got 4 hours. Okay. Yeah, whatever time was left on there. But yeah, it's looking good. Alright, what's up everybody? I'm getting ready for work at the Jack in the Crack. I work 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Let's go! No, let's go. It's a terrible day. Anyway, I got some stuff I gotta get done. I'm gonna be doing my day trading at work. Trust me, when there's not nobody, I'm gonna be studying on that. But yeah, it's gonna be a great day. And tomorrow's somebody's birthday. Oh shoot. But yeah, I'm gonna be studying all that at work, locking in, editing the video. But yeah, trust, bro. Trust. It'll get done. But yeah, thank y'all for joining me today. See you guys later. See you guys tomorrow.